Hi, this is Michelle from Be So Creative in Las Cruces, New Mexico, and today's tip from me is Diagonal Seam Tape by Cluck Cluck Sew. This tape makes it easy to sew point to point without having to draw a line. Here I have the tape already on my sewing machine. Make sure you don't cover your feed dogs because it hinder the feed dogs from moving. The tape is sticky enough to stay on your machine, but not so sticky that it will make residue. It feels like washi tape. So the first thing I'm going to show you how to use this tape is I'm going to make my half square triangles. Usually you would be drawing a line from point to point in order to make sure you have a nice straight line for your half square triangle. But with this tape, you can save that step by putting your fabrics right side together as usual. Put a point on the red line and slide it under your needle. Make sure the bottom point is also on the red line. There we go. And at this point we can start to sew. Watch your bottom point. Make sure it stays on the red line. So there we have our perfect half square triangles. Here I have my no waste flying geese pieces, and I'm gonna show you how to do 1/4 inch from the middle corner to corner point using the diagonal seam tape. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put the corner on the black line, and that will automatically put your needle 1/4 inch from your point. Then we're going to make sure that our point lands on the black line at the other end. And then just flip it around and do the same thing. Make sure you watch your point. And then I'm going to cut straight down the middle. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I hope you want to try out the diagonal seam tape. Thank you.